But what a good piece of bowling.
Not only with good pace, 151 Ks, it swings in and it's right on the mark of middle and off. Ricky Ponting looking to play his favourite shot without the footwork we've been talking about. Tough job. Shoaib Akhter, magnificent.
Oh, and he's bowled him, leg stump. Darren Lehmann does have a habit, particularly early in his innings, of getting a long way across. I think Shoaib Akhter has noted that. The first one was aimed at leg stump.
The first ball, whenever you come in as a batsman, you've got to be sharp. Those first balls are always the most dangerous for a batsman, and unfortunately Darren Lehmann hasn't got past the first one. Just walked across his stumps, and Shoaib Akhter right on target again. Tremendous bowling.
Chance at third man, and he's caught. Syed Anwar.
Balls that one short. A little bit wider this one. Damien Martin threw the kitchen sink at it, looking for power rather than direction. Unfortunately for Damien Martin, it went straight to Syed Anwar, and he's just hung on to it. Didn't know much about it. It stayed in there, unfortunately, for Australia.
Dropping. A bit of an outside edge. Rashid Latif takes that one. No footwork again. Shoaib Akhter lands it exactly where it needed to be.
10 off the bowling of Shoaib Akhter. This is how it happened. Look at him. No, look at his left foot. He's way towards the leg side there, and well, he knows it's an important wicket, that one. It's the end of Bevan. Oh, that's beautifully bowled. Oh, yes, he's got him. 5 for Shoaib, right up there in the block hole. A magnificent delivery. Shoaib Akhter back into the attack. And first ball, he's got it right up there and dead straight. Boy, if you're a tail ender, you don't want one of those.
He's trying to get the left leg down the pitch. Jason Gillespie, that's a beauty. 142 kilometres an hour, straight, dipping in. I don't care if you're about numbers.
We've given away 5 grants of $20,000 per club this year.
Whoa, that's a bit of serious pace. Just finish off on that, Jason.
That's right. So $20,000 per club to help people fix up their clubs.
156 kilometres per hour.
There's plenty more to look forward to. This is flat chat cricket. The batsmen are going to be going hard, and the wild thing is in. Second ball into the pads of Imran Farhat. Almost 160.
That is unbelievable slats. That's express. 159 clicks.
Anyone feel uncomfortable? If you're an opening batsman, you're trying to get the new ball away, they've got to play their shots, but they're going to feel uncomfortable.
Ball 3. Play a miss. The eyes go straight up to the screen, and the crowd love it.
It's 100 miles an hour. A cricket ball does.
3 slips. Down the leg side. Haddon with his hands full moves beautifully. He'll be relaying the message to them.
Hold on, I reckon this is going to be near 160.
He's talking it up. Imran Farhat back into the side for a long time, trying. When it comes quickly at you, it can forget about it. It's a mixed bag so far. Couple of plays and misses, couple of hits and a 4. Into the thigh pad again. The thigh pad has ricocheted to square leg.
Slowest ball of the over's been 150 clicks. He's just an entertainer, Sean Tait. I don't care if he can only bowl 2 or 3 at this heat. It doesn't matter. It's just what these 60, 70,000 have come to see.
The muscles of his body, he's not even sure. He just wants to play. Last ball over 1. All up, a wide and a 4. Again he edges. The slips come into play. Too far.
Going to get back to that question because there's too much happening out here. Tait on fire.
Team, and he gets Tait 10 balls. He's made 8 runs until this. Shane Watson deep and ready.
I think that's the advantage, isn't it? With this sort of pace, you can take yourself back a couple of metres, and that one's gone straight in the breadbasket. Still got to him hot, but it was as comfortable as you can have them, I suppose, at 160, 155.
Catch! Yes, he's got another one. That's beautiful going. 150.5, and all of a sudden, that's 4 for 59.
Yeah, I think you're right, Tate. Went for the Yorker. He actually clipped it all right, but it was good captaincy too to bring the man up from deep square leg, to bring him up, put him in the ring, and it was straight to him. You can say as a batsman that's stiff, which it probably is, but it just tailed. And some rewards for some aggressive captaincy and some good fields.
Oh, no, that is out. Believe that. Every time Clark has turned to Tate, he's done it for him. Akmal gets the life, and then he falls.
And he's looking skyward, he can't believe it. A little more elevation, and that was down the ground for 4. It was a stunning 64. Pakistan 5 for 98.